Hello guys, this is Satvik here, and this video will be discussing about one of the most legendary social engineering tool, which is named as the browser exploitation framework. So without getting any delay, let's dive into the video. Guys, first of all, really thank you for all your support. If you want to connect with me personally, you can check out my Twitter and the LinkedIn. And if you want to be part of this channel's community, you can check out my Discord server. All the links are in the description below. So guys, this video will be discussing about this tool called as the browser exploitation framework. So I hope most of you had heard this name because this is one of the most legendary tool, and by short form it is called as beef. Okay, so this uses like a client side vulnerability. So like you can just create a small script file, or you can add a script tag in some sort of a HTML file, and once your target loads it, then like you can get complete connection to his browser. So let's check how this works. And also guys, I'll give you a quick disclaimer. Uh, this tool is very old, like 2 years old or sort of stuff. Like this is not being maintained, so this is like a legacy tool. So most of the attacks are getting detected. So I even have a proof here. So you can see this is I ran a this browser the same attack on my main host machine, which has Kaspersky antivirus, and you can see it detected each and everything here. So I'll show you on a demo network, so where you can understand how this tool works, and also I'll be leaving the link for everything in the description below, so you can go and check that out. So the GitHub link and everything. So let's go back. So let me close everything. Just a minute. So okay, so the first and the foremost thing, so I have like two here. So one is a Windows 8 machine. So this is a machine that I built for my CEH exam. So and this there is my attacker machine, which is going to be Kali Linux. So first of all, install the beef a browser exploitation framework. So apt install beef xss. Like if you are getting any not found sort of thing, just do apt update and just hit enter. And also if you are not root, add sudo in front of this command. Okay, so this will take fairly some time, and in order to run this thing, it is very simple. Beef, okay, xss, that's it, simple. Just run this thing, and for the first time it will be asking you for a password. Okay, and give a password, and also do remember that. Okay, so that you can log into the portal. So I gave one password, and also it will directly open the page here. So this is like a dashboard, you can say. And also you can see some information, like the web UI is here. Okay, so if you want to hook something, so you need to the target should run this particular script tag. So how you can run this script tag, in the sense like you can put it in some sort of HTML file, or you can post a website, and as you know, websites have these HTML CSS files, right? So in any one of the HTML file, you can just mention this, and here you can see the HTTP and the IP address of your attacker machine. Okay, so there are a few limitations, I'll be telling you all of those. So but for that, I created a small script command. I guess you might not see that. Let me edit the preferences quickly. uh, I think that would be fine. So now you could see this is the script tag that I edited. So this is my Kali Linux IPs, and the hook.js and everything is here. So now you could see it is started. So let's go there, and the username is going to be beef. Okay, it's same for everyone, and the password is going to be the one that you set it up. Okay, I entered the password. So let me remove these things. Okay, so they're already connected. There are already few things connected because I tried it out. Okay, so in my target machine, so as this is like a normal network, right? Or else you can create a sort of a HTML file, and let this Windows, like your target, load this. But for me, like I created this file. Let me open this with Firefox. Okay, this is nothing but this just contain, like let me show an inspect element. This just contain the same script tag that I mentioned. That's it, nothing more than that. Okay, like you can deliver this particular script tag through any means. Okay, it depends. Like went through an easy way, but you can always go through, like you can go through different ways in order to upon your target. So now you could see here in the portal, in the online browser section, you can see once your target loads it, you can see your target here. You can see it is, if you just hover over there, you can see it is Windows 8.1. It is accurate, and hardware, it may not find out much information. So and coming to here, so just click on that. Okay, just click on your target, and here you can see few information here, like you can go through few of them, like window cookies and sort of stuff. Okay, so what cookies it has and sort of stuff, you can go through here. Like this is not much helpful. And logs is a section where you could see the logs, like when the browser is opened, and when the windows has lost the connection and sort of stuff. Okay, and in the command section is one where we'll be spending most of the time. Let us keep it for a side. You can even set a proxy as well. Okay, and access as race and network. So like network in the sense, like it'll just show you how you are connected to that. Okay, so hosts and services, and these are some basic stuff. So like what are the hosts that are connected and everything like that. Okay, so but most of the time we'll be spending our time in this command section. So here you have like couple of commands here, like for example in the browser, more than browser, let me show you some cool attacks. Okay, so let me open this social engineering folder here, and you can see, for example, let's go with this Google phishing, for example. So you can also go and edit these HTML files. I'll tell you the reason why you should edit them. So let me click on execute, and let me go back to my machine, and you could see here I got a Google prompt here. So this is a very old Google mail, login sort of thing. But no worries, you can go to the location where this plain.html is located, and you can edit it with the latest with the latest HTML and CSS code, which looks like latest Google, Gmail login page. So that your target may not get worried, like he may not get suspicious about your activity. So that's the reason I told you this is a very legacy attack, like very legacy tool, very old. Okay, but it's not like, try to understand how this tool is working. Okay, so like you can like you can just go and quickly edit those files. Like everything is available in some location, you can go and check them out. So that's the reason I even linked you the repository here. So this repository consists of all the files and everything, so you can find out them, you can edit them according to your needs, and like your target is just loading the file in some location. Okay, that's it, nothing's happened more than that. Okay, so like that there are some attacks like fake last pass, like there may be some extensions, Firefox extensions, like for example if you execute that. And also one more thing guys, like most of the attacks may not work because the latest browsers are like the latest browsers from Firefox, Google and Edge are very much good at detecting all this stuff. So you can see it is not even loading, so that's the thing. So some attacks doesn't even load. Okay, so you can try them out. All the attacks may not work. Okay, so let's see some other attacks. You can unhook and create an alert dialog. Okay, so let me hit execute. It may give you an alert. I guess it should give you an alert. No, it didn't give me any alert, but it should be giving an alert for us. But no, maybe the browser is blocking those sort of stuff, I guess. So yeah, those may be I think so. Like these are some attacks, like you can replace with videos. Okay, so like replace an object shared with, like if there are any images coming up, right? So you can just recroll them using this, but you need to just paste the YouTube ID. So every video has an ID, you can just mention them. If you embed them, right, so it will embed everything with that thing. I'm not sure whether it works on the latest browsers or not. You can even detect the Firefox, detects the extensions. Let's see what extensions that this particular thing has. So once it run, right, you can click on this command section here. So if anything, any result or any output, you can see here in the command result section. We couldn't find anything, so that means it is not working. So let's go through and let's check some of them. You can even have few exploits as well. So I'm not sure how many of them will work, but you can just go and give it a try. Okay, so you can even detect an antivirus. So let me hit execute. Let's hope this works. No, it doesn't work. Fine. So some of them work, some of them doesn't work. So just go through them, guys. Like, the reason this is very old tool, as I told you, this gets detected every by every, like every antivirus, like even it's a free version or like its basic version, it gets detected because this is an old tool. And also the companies like the antivirus or the endpoint detection companies also have people like us, so even they go through all this stuff. So this gets detected. But if you are learning and if you're starting and if you're just learning how the social engineering and sort of things work, then this is very good place. And also this is good place to start. And also one more thing, guys, you can see the name here itself is beef xss. So in a cross-site scripting attack, we try to run a script, right? So you can run the same script in that xss, and you can get it done. Okay, so this is everything, guys. Like, once you are done, you can log out. Okay, and in order to stop it, so I hope you guys had already followed it. So beef xss hyphen stop, that's it, that's the command, and the service will be disabled, and also the network interface and everything will be gone. So I hope you like this video. If you have any queries or anything, you can connect with me on my Discord server, and you can just ping me whenever you are facing any issue. I'll be happy to help. If you do end up liking this video, make sure you like it and do share with your friends who are really interested in this sort of stuff. This is Satvik signing off. I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.